Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for notification. Start with a magic circle. And chain 2. This chain 2, it won't be counted as a stitch. Now in the magic circle, make 16 double crochets. Once you're done, pull up this loop to close the gap and slip stitch on top of this first double crochet. And while making the slip stitch, change to the green color yarn. Secure this yarn properly. Next round, you will make one puff stitch in each and every stitch. To make a puff stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. You have 3 loops. Once again, yarn over and pull up a loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And once again, yarn over and pull up a loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. You should have 7 loops on the hook. And yarn over and pull through all the loops and chain 1. That's one puff stitch made. Repeat this all around. 1, 2, 3. 7 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all the loops and chain 1. Repeat it all around. You'll have 16 puff stitch. At the end of this round, slip stitch on the top of this puff stitch, and while making the slip stitch, change back to pink color yarn. Next round, one double crochet cluster stitch in each and every stitch between the puff stitch. To make a double crochet cluster, chain 2. This will be considered as one double crochet, and yarn over and pull up a loop, and yarn over pull through 2 loops. Should have 5 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all the loops and chain 1. That's one double crochet cluster stitch made, and chain 2. Now in the next space, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull up a loop, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull through all loops, chain 1. That's one stitch made, and chain 2. Now repeat this all around. At the end of this round, slip stitch on top of the stitch, and while making the slip stitch, change to green color yarn. You can fasten off this yarn. Now slip stitch into this chain space and one double crochet cluster in the stitch. That's 1, 2. Chain 3 and one double crochet cluster in the next chain space. Chain 3 and repeat it all around. The last round, chain 1 and one single crochet in the same stitch, one single crochet in the next stitch, and in the chain space we'll make 2 single crochets, and again 2 single crochets on the cluster stitch, and 2 single crochets in the chain space. Now repeat this all around. 2 single crochets on the cluster, 2 single crochets on the chain space, and once you reach over here, slip stitch on top of this first single crochet and weave off. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.